Hey, it's Livia. Today I am going to teach you guys how to use the link generator in your doTERRA back office. I'm going to go ahead and screen share so you guys can see what we're doing here. So you should be seeing my screen, and you can see we're on the doTERRA homepage, so just doTERRA.com. So what you do is you're going to go to your account, log in. This first step, you must be logged in order to use the link generator. So logging in. Go. We'll be able to do it in just a couple minutes. It goes so fast. So up here in the corner, you've got your account bubble. Click on that and then go to your account profile. On your account profile, under My Business, this first section here underneath of your name and information, it says Link Generator. So you click right there. And at this point, you can click Sign Up, Educate, or Guest Bag. So in the sign up situation, if you've got someone and they're like, yeah, I want to sign up, this is the kit I want, you can go ahead and put that all in, generate the link, send that to them, and it will make it super easy for them to do the checkout, especially with, we're doing a lot of online teaching now. Educate, you can send them a different video or link or something like that. So let's say you're teaching something online, you're doing a little video and you're like, I really love this oil and this is what it does. By the way, if you want it, here is where you can get it. You can create a guest bag. So we're going to click Generate Link. Within here, we're going to put in, let's say, lavender. So let's say I was teaching about lavender. We're like, okay, if you want to get lavender, here it is. So you put it in. It's just like a shopping cart. You can generate the link. If you're sharing it on social media and not having the link hidden, so where you type something and then you create a link to it, but you're actually putting the link up, I would switch this, convert to short URL link right there. And then you can just copy this one out right here. And then you can open a new tab and you can paste it in there. We're not going to send that yet because I want to create a couple more so you can see what it looks like. But if you send it, then it won't work while you're logged in. Okay, so we're going to go back to the guest bag, back to the links. And put this back arrow here, go ahead and click Educate. So let's say now I wanted to educate. And I'm like, okay, what is someone interested in? I have someone who is interested in how to use oils for their kids. So under Wellness Topics, click under Kids. It says, do you want to learn about bedtime for kids, supporting a healthy learning environment, using oils the right way for your baby, kids' safety. So let's say I have a friend who just had a baby and they're like, I want to learn how to use oils for my baby. So you're going to click this, select this link, and then you can generate the link there. Same thing, convert to short URL. And we'll copy that. And we'll put it in a new tab up here. Not sending enter yet because I want to log out first. Okay, so we're going to go back and do one more. And go all the way back to your link generator if they want to sign up. So let's say we're going to generate that link that says, hey, I would like to sign up. Okay, so if we say they're going to sign up with me, go to continue, and they say, I want to be a wholesale customer. So say, yep, wholesale customer. And they wanted to enroll with the Healthy Essentials Kit. So we're going to add that. It's going to basically create them a shopping cart that is their enrollment sign up. Okay, and then I'll say, okay, let's generate link there. And you can add the extra products. You saw that on this page right here. So let's say they wanted to also get a Purify. So I can type in Purify, say add that to the bag. So now they have their enrollment kit plus the extra oils, whatever else they decided that they wanted. Click Generate Link. There we go. Convert to short URL. Take that URL and put it up here in a new tab. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here and I'm actually going to log out of my account so that those other links will work, because they won't work as long as you're logged into yours. But if they don't have an account, they're not already logged in. So going back to the first link, this is the one where we use the lavender example. Hit enter there. And there we go. So it says, look, this is your wellness advocate, whoever sent them the link. It's your shop. They're automatically connected to you and enrolled in your organization. Well, as here's their products, they can go ahead and they can add more, say, hey, I actually learned about peppermint after that. And so I really want to get peppermint. Peppermint soft gels. Peppermint, there you go. Okay. Peppermint. So they can add whatever they want. They can donate to Healing Hands. They can check out right there. And at the top right here, this super cool thing, Want to save an extra $15? Become a wholesale member. So they can click here, they can proceed to checkout. Also, it has the other recommended products at the bottom where they can learn about more things, as well as here. So yeah, I want to save 15 bucks. Let's become a wholesale member. Then it will explain to them, this is what a wholesale member does. This is what it means. You get free products. You get 10 to 30% back. You get shipping product points back, 25% off retail, and an introductory kit. Super cool. So it explains why that's important, why they would want to do that. And they can pick, what enrollment kit do I want? Let's see. I think I want a natural solutions kit. Okay, add that. Okay, and then they can review it. And look, now their shopping bag has turned into a wholesale enrollment bag, which is similar to what we'll see in just a minute. So you can go ahead, check out there just like you would normally for your LRP or whatever it is that you're ordering on your doTERRA account. Let's go over to this next tab. This is the one where we did an education thing about babies. So it pops up. Look, this is how you use essential oils with your baby. There's safe ways to care for them. Here's a video. Here's a video on teething. Here's baby skin, how to use the baby products, bath time, all these other different links that take them to the blog for diaper cream, how to use them in your nursery, baby collection, all the different things, as well as recommended products for that. doTERRA is so awesome. I love the way their website is set up. And this link generator is super, super amazing. Okay, then we'll go to the last one. This one was, they just want to enroll, they're ready, they know what they want. So when you're on this one, there you go. It says you're enrolling, here's your kit. So you could say, I recommend this kit, or if they want a different kit, they can sign up without a kit, they could change their kit, they can do whatever they want here, and then you can click sign up now, and it will take them to, hey, here's my kit, here's my bag. And if you want to change the kit, they could click there and they could see all the different options. If they're like, oh, well, what else is available? She only told me about 1 or 2 kits, but there's more. So you can go in here, say, okay, let's say I want a simple solutions kit. Okay, so let's change it to that one. And let's add products to that while I'm at it. Oh, look, wait, there is accessories. I didn't know that existed. That's really cool. Oh, the cute box. Okay, I think I want a box too. So we're gonna add the box. And let's say we're gonna add a carabiner. Okay. And it just works like your shopping cart. Go to your shopping bag. Correct, here's all my stuff. You can say, I wanna add the healing hands. Let's check out. And then it takes them right to set up my account. They can set up their shipping, they'll set up all their different stuff and be able to have their kits all ready to go. So I hope, there we go. I hope that this has been super helpful for you and how to use the link generator in order to better serve the people that you have and make it way more simple for them to get their oils and to get the things they want without getting that overwhelm of, I'm just barely learning this, there's so many choices to make. Because when you go through it in the wellness consultation and you help them to understand what it is that's best for them, that they can choose. You can go through their elements, you can say, hey, this is what you're dealing with, and this is what's recommended. Let's go through the books, let's pick it out, make a list. This is the kit that'll work best, and let me just send you a link. It makes it so much easier for education, for enrollments, for adding shopping bags to people, or for people who haven't even enrolled in doTERRA, but just want to try 1 or 2, and they know exactly what they want. So check it out. See how it works for you. Thank you, and comment in the comments if it's helpful, and go ahead and share with all your teams and all the people who need to know how the link generator works. Thanks.